hotel, we decided it was time to leave. So we gathered all of our stuff. But it wasn't going to be easy checking out because we bought so much stuff that I doubted it could all fit in the elevator. So then my dad suggested that we had a luggage trolley, and we all agreed. So we brought a trolley and we hurriedly packed all of our stuff in the trolley. And the trolley was really big. And we were so excited when we made our way to the elevator and we pressed the down button. But when the first elevator came, we were so pumped that we almost pushed the trolley in. But there were people in it. So we decided to let that elevator go because I don't think our trolley could fit in there. Then we pressed the down button again. This time the same thing happened with this elevator. And this went on for 10 minutes. And my dad got really frustrated by this. So he said, Aishi and Mom, you guys go downstairs in an elevator and we'll meet you down there. And after a good 15 minutes of waiting, my dad and my sister finally appeared because they finally found an empty elevator. And this wasted effort, time, and energy because my dad kept on pressing the down button. That wasted all his energy and the elevator's energy. And all the people that were in the elevator, they got late for every single time that they had. Every single thing that they had, actually. Sorry, my words got a little messed up right there. This is where my non-academic mind kicks in. How about there's this provision in the elevator where you could say, I have a big trolley and I need an empty elevator. That way, an empty elevator will come down and you'll get downstairs in less than a minute, and that won't waste effort, time, and energy. By the way, this is Aishi from Non-Academic, and if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get unique thoughts by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I can get my unique thought just by waiting for my dad and my sister to come down, I'm sure you can too. Bye, and thank you for watching.